Science and technology. Class 10. Classification of living beings. Kingdom Monera and Protista are discussed in previous video. 3. Kingdom Fungi, multinucleate higher fungi. This kingdom includes multicellular eukaryotic organisms, such as mushrooms, yeasts, and molds. These organisms are heterotrophic and obtain their nutrients by absorbing them from other organisms. Their mode of nutrition is saprophytic, as they use decaying organic matter as food. Fungi also form a symbiotic association with some blue-green algae. Yeast, mushroom, Aspergillus are examples of fungi. Features of fungi. 1. The plant body of true fungi is at Alice. 1. It may be non-mycelial or mycelial. 2. The cell wall of fungi is mainly made up of chitin and cellulose. 3. The fungi are achlorophyllous organisms. 3. Hence, they cannot prepare their food. 3. They live as heterotrophs, i.e., as parasites and saprophytes. 3. Some forms live symbiotically with other green forms. 4. The fungi either reproduce vegetatively, asexually or sexually. 4. Kingdom Plantae, multicellular green plants and advanced algae. This kingdom includes multicellular eukaryotic organisms, such as flowering plants, trees, and ferns. These organisms are autotrophic and produce their own food through photosynthesis. Examples are Spirogyra, ferns, pines, and mango plant, etc. Features of Plantae. 1. They have special organelles called chloroplasts, chlorophyll. 2. They are autotrophic. 3. Reproduction can be asexual and sexual. 4. They show alternation of generation. Kingdom Plantae is divided into 3 different divisions. 1. Thallophyta, algae. 2. Bryophyta. 3. Tracheophyta. 5. Kingdom Animalia, multicellular animals. This kingdom includes multicellular eukaryotic organisms, such as mammals, birds, insects, and fish. These organisms are heterotrophic and obtain their nutrients by consuming other organisms. They have a heterotrophic mode of nutrition. They also exhibit great diversity. Some organisms are simple while others have a complex body with specialized tissue differentiation and body organs. The animal kingdom is divided into many phyla and classes. Some of the phyla are Porifera, Coelenterata, Arthropoda, Echinodermata, Chordata, etc. Examples: Hydra, starfish, earthworms, monkeys, birds, etc. Features of Animalia. 1. They are multicellular organisms that do not possess chlorophyll. 2. The mode of nutrition is heterotrophic, i.e. they depend on other organisms for food. 3. They have muscle cells due to which they have the capability to contract and relax the body parts. 4. Reproduction is sexual. 4. However, asexual reproduction is also found in lower forms. 5. During development, the multicellular embryo is formed from the zygote. 6. They require oxygen for aerobic respiration. Basis of classification. This system is based on fundamental differences in cellular organization, mode of nutrition, and body structure among the different groups of organisms. However, this system has limitations as it does not take into account the molecular and genetic similarities among different groups of organisms. As a result, alternative classification systems have been proposed based on molecular and genetic similarities. Kingdoms are divided into subgroups at various levels. The following flowchart shows the hierarchy of classification. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. QN. According to the 5-world system, how are living beings classified?